Looks like we got some good bee activity going on. That's an established hive from last year. Came in a nuke. These are this year's. Just ordered a 3 pounds of bees. Actually, one is 3 pounds, the other one's 3 pounds, so 6 pounds of bees. It's 2 separate orders. Looks like they're doing really well. Put sugar water in it today. Some dry protein. And looks like they're doing good. Activity. They are doing what they're supposed to do. And on these two, I have 2 nukes coming in a few days. And the nukes will go in these 2. And then I have an empty spot there. I've caught a swarm up the road. And I will get that swarm, put it in another box right there. And that'll make 6 hives. And hopefully I can keep them. And it'd be nice if I can catch some more swarms. Freebies are nice. That's for sure. Nice beautiful day out. There's a swarm trap. It's not too far from the beehives. I've caught 2 swarms on this last year. Have absolutely no luck with it this year. So we're going to keep trying. See what we can do. That's what I use. It works really well. Little spray on the outside. Oh, it's got ants in it. That's no good. That's probably why. It is definitely hard to keep the ants out of these things. Well, it's sprayed down, ready to go. On to the next one. We'll see what happens with the next one. And this is the other bee trap. A little scary. As you can see, it's kind of here on the road. Right over there they have commercial bees. Figured I might get lucky and catch some of their swarms. Way back there is our house. But when I pulled up here, I hopped off. I thought, ooh. Not happy with that. Not happy at all. Me and this guy ain't gonna get along. So anyway, I'm gonna drive him off. He's just happy to be out in the sun, I guess. Yeah, I'm kind of leery. I know he's trying to hide his head. Not what I need. So I just a little spray there. A little spray in there. Be off with it. All right. So on this one, this is the last time I'm going to spray it in this spot. If I don't catch any swarms on this one, I'm going to move it around to the other road, and that's where I'm going to head now. It already has a swarm in it, and I'll show you that one. But it's that time of year. Luckily he's not poisonous, or I just killed him. And this is the other one on the other road. This is pretty active on this one. Try to get in the shade where you can see it. But that's caught a swarm on that one. So another couple weeks, I'll let them establish, get it built up. I'll close it off, take it to the house, and pull them frames out of there and put them in a regular hive, and then probably return this, see if I can't catch another one. This is probably one of the ones that absconded of the 4 I had last year. And that one back there was the only one that remained. But this is definitely a catch. Hopefully, I'll have more. Just the other swarm traps I have are other places, not near here. And we'll see what happens. Just keep baiting them up till it gets hot, see what happens. Anyway, Randy Myers Homestead. See you later. Sawmill news. Cut some cherry here. Looks pretty good. Like the way it looks. Nice red wood. Got some live edge slabs. Trying to make some benches or something out of that. Coat them up. That's my pine on the bottom. Gonna make a overhang for that. It's from a trailer, my RV. This here is sweet gum, and I'm gonna make some benches out of this sweet gum to see how it is. Over there, more sweet gum. What to do with that sweet gum? It's worthless, basically. I cut it up in about 6x6s or 4x4s. About like that, and I put these implements on them, so the implements in the back stand up, so I can get the quick connects in them and all that stuff. Right there we have live oak. I got a few pieces of that live oak, slab it up, the rest of it's firewood. Got a bunch of that to go. So anyway.